Yeah, welcome back. And here we are going to discuss about the motion in a straight line. Okay. Again, I am going to do the little bit of demonstration of that we can go. Yes. This scale is steel scale is in straight line. Yes. And this ball is going to move from 0, right? Initially it is in 0 and it moves in a straight line. Okay. After sometimes it return back and coming back to 0. Okay. Okay. And this is in straight line. There is no change in direction of this ball. Okay. Ball goes in a straight line and it return back the same direction, sorry, opposite direction, but it is in straight line. Okay. Right. So before going to start about, I should give the definition about distance and displacement. Distance means an object covers total distance. The total distance covered by an object is called distance. Assume here the ball is start from 0 and it goes, assume that here we have 30, yes, 30 centimeter covers, right, and after sometimes it return back at 20, yes. So 0 to 30 return back to 20. So what is the distance covered here? Is that 30 centimeter or is that 20 centimeter? No, right? So it starts with 0 and reaches 30 centimeter, right, and again it travels 10 centimeter, right? 30 minus 20, that will give 10 centimeter. So how much distance is covered? 30 centimeter plus 10, 40 centimeter. That is called the total distance covered by this object. And the same scenario, the ball started from here 0 and it goes to 30 and return back to 20, right. So now what is the displacement here? Yes, yeah, displacement is, this is a final position, right? Yes, this is a final position 20, right? What is the initial position? 10. The shortest distance between initial position and final position. So what is the distance between initial position and final position? 20 centimeter. That is called displacement. So what is displacement mean? The shortest distance between 2 points. That 2 points is initial position and final position, right? Now we can move on to our example. An object starts from O. This is a position O. This is a magnitude 0. Position 0, magnitude 0, and it starts with the position 0 and it moves towards A and reaches A and return back to B and then comes to C, again comes to O, right. So here I wrote the definition for distance and displacement. Total distance covered by an object, that is called distance. Shortest distance between initial and final position is called displacement. Both are having the SI unit of, SI unit is meter, but we can write in centimeter or kilometer, we can write, yes, okay. And here the initial position, final position, distance, displacement, here I note down. So initial position is O, not 0, O. So the position of the object is O, the final position also is O, that means it rest. So the distance covered by an object is 0 as well as the displacement becomes 0 because the object still at rest, it is not moving, simply is rest. And the second case, the initial position is O and the final position is A. So now the ball is moved towards A and reaches A. What is the distance here? How much distance is covered from, so 0 to 60, therefore it covers 60 kilometer. What about displacement? Here the displacement also same because there is no change in direction, right? Yes, it goes in a straight line. So the displacement also 60, right. Now this object ball is moved to B, that is a third condition. The initial position is O, the final position is B, right. So what about the distance covered? So from here it starts and it goes A and return back to here. So 0 to A 60, from A to B it is 60 minus 35, that will give 25. So A to B it will give 25. So right, from here if you start 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 kilometers from A to B. So the total distance covered is 85. How I write? 60 plus 25. What about the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial position and final position. So 35 minus 0, that will give displacement as 35, and now the ball is moved to C, right. So again the distance covered by an object is, so total distance covered by an object is, and return back to C. So 60 plus, again we will have 35, 60 plus 35, that will give 95, that is the distance. And what about the displacement? The shortest distance between this point and this point. So what is the shortest distance between these 2 points? 25 kilometer, therefore 25 kilometer. And again from C to again return back to O, right. That time the distance covered is 120 kilometer, because 60 plus 60, 120, and the distance is 120, the displacement becomes 0, because the initial position and final position are the same. So if you are taking the difference, then it will becomes 0. And from this tabular column, what you are going to identify? Note down, if the displacement is greater than distance in the tabular column, note down and compare these two values. Here the distance and displacement are equal, here also displacement and distance and displacement are equal, and here the distance is greater than displacement, and here also distance is greater than displacement, and here also the distance is greater than displacement. So displacement cannot be greater than distance. So sometimes they may ask in 1 mark question the ratio between distance to displacement, distance divided by displacement is equal to 1 or less than 1. The ratio between distance and displacement is equal to 1 or less than 1. Suppose if they twisted the question, the ratio between displacement and distance, displacement and distance, okay. If you twisted question, displacement and distance, that will gives is equal to 1 but greater than 1, okay. Listen, the ratio between distance and displacement is equal to 1 or greater than 1. Yes, I hope you can understand well.